right, hi guys, my name is Janine and I'm a third year pharmacy student at Loma Linda University. Today we're going to finish up chapters 5 and 6 of the investigating matter reading that we've been doing. So let's get started, and remember we have a quiz at the end. All right, so it's chapter 5, matter as gas. Gases are the third state of matter. The molecules in gases are far apart. They are so far apart that we can't see them, but we know they're there. We can't see air, but we can see leaves blow in the wind. Wind is moving air. So, air is a gas. Gases can't be seen. How can you tell when air is moving? Gases are invisible, but they still take up space like solids and liquids. You can prove this with a drinking straw and a tiny piece of paper. A straw looks empty, but it is filled with air. Test it out. Look at the straw. Is it filled with anything? Yes, it's filled with air. Put one end of the straw in your mouth. Look up at the ceiling. Balance the tiny paper on the other end of the straw. Blow through the straw. What happens to the paper? It blows off. Why does this happen? The air leaving your mouth needs space. It pushes the air that is already in the straw. The straw's air pushes against the paper. It pushes the paper away. When you blow air through the straw, the air pushes the paper off the straw. Like liquids, gases can change shape. The molecules in gases move around even more freely than the molecules in the liquids. If you blow air into a glass, the air does not stay at the bottom. Instead, air molecules flow freely up and out of the glass. So we can see when you blow air bubbles in water, the air moves up and out of the water. To keep a gas in a container, you must completely enclose it. Blow air into a balloon. If you don't hold the balloon closed, the air rushes out. But if you tie the balloon, it is enclosed. The balloon stays full. A gas spreads out to fill whatever container it is in. The air from your small balloon could spread out to fill a whole room. All right. So now let's look at chapter 6. Matter can change shapes, or states, excuse me. Matter can change from one state to another. Adding heat to matter makes molecules move faster. Taking away heat makes them move slower. When molecules move faster or slower, they can change their state. When ice melts, it changes from a solid state to a liquid state. All molecules change from one state to another. Water is a versatile matter. Water can be found in all three states. Solid water is called ice. When ice melts, it turns to liquid water. When liquid water evaporates, it changes into a gas. You can make water change its states. Now this one, you will need a parent if you'd like to try this experiment, but you will need a few ice cubes, a small pan, a stove, or a hot plate, only if you have a parent with you. Wear your safety glasses, use a pot holder when handling the pan, and ask an adult to help you. To make water change its state, you need a pan, a stove and a hot plate, safety glasses, some ice cubes, and an adult. It's experimenting with water. You should have the adult dump the ice cubes in the pan. Put the pan on the stove or the hot plate. Turn the burner on. What happens to the ice cubes as they are heated? They melt. The solid ice changes into liquid water. Put a few ice cubes into the pan, then turn on the burner. As the water heats, can you see the bubbles? What do you think is inside the bubbles? Water vapor is inside them. Water vapor is water in the gas state. How do the bubbles move as the water gets hotter? They rise to the top. Soon the water's surface will be bubbling fast. This is called boiling. The gas bubbles pop and escape from the pan. They form a cloud of steam. Steam is hot water vapor. You have made matter change its state. Your solid ice cubes changed into liquid water, then the liquid changed into a gas. So you can see the bubbles in the boiling water are made of water vapor. The bubbles rise to the surface and pop. Then the water vapor goes up in the air. Our world is made of matter. Everything around you is a solid, liquid, and a gas, even when you are made of matter. Can you name any of the solid liquids and gases in your body? It's a question that really matters. You take up space and you can be weighed. So you are made of matter. All right, and here are some glossary and definitions. Be sure to look at them and review the readings for chapter 5 and 6 for the quiz. Thank you guys so much and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye-bye.